Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn how to do a cute bookmark. Yes, we all do forget to mark the pages and keep flipping and stuck with the mind. So here is a solution for this. We are having an amazing craft for you. All you need for this craft is a cute origami sheet on the measurements of 13 centimeter into 13 centimeter and a beautiful land. Quickly, let's start this amazing and easy craft right away. Fold paper in half diagonally to make a triangle. Then unfold it. Fold the lower right corner up to meet the top right angle corner. Repeat for the left side. Now, make sure that both are in symmetrical manner. Fold these two back open, flip down one of the top sheet and just crease. Now, fold the flap you created back up and tuck into your bookmark as shown in the video. Repeat on the other side too. It's time to decorate a bookmark. Congratulations, your cute bookmark is ready. So what else? Grab the paper and start doing a bookmark. See you in the next video. Until then, tata bye bye.